Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can upgrade or how we can install the latest version of the Linux kernel on an Ubuntu machine. Now you can check what version you currently have. You can do uname all. That should give you information on your system. Now we'll be doing an upgrade by installing the latest version, which right now is 6.7. There's three commands we need to run in order to do that. Now let's go ahead and run the first command. It's going to be sudo add apt repository ppa cappln /ppa. Put our password here. Press enter. The objective is to install the mainline kernels tool. That's the tool we need to do the upgrade. Now the next command we'll need to run is for updating packages. We'll do sudo apt update, and we'll also do sudo apt full upgrade. Press Y for yes. Now the next thing we need to do is to install the mainline graphical tool that will enable us to install and to upgrade our kernel. So the command for installing the mainline tool is sudo apt install. Say yes for all, and then mainline. Once that is done, what we need to do is to actually open the tool, and we'll need to, let me minimize this, go in here and search for mainline. This is the tool right here. So open the graphical tool, and this should check for updates. So it's gonna update the kernels here. And as you can see, the latest version is 6.7. So we'll select 6.7, is right here. So you can select whichever version you want to install. So if we select this one, we have the option to install it. So just click on install, and they should begin the installation. Okay, here we'll put in our password. So it's saying that it's done. So we'll reboot this machine and then come back and see if the upgrade was successful. So I'm going to go ahead and do a restart. I'm going to do a restart here. I'll come back once it's done rebooting. Okay, I'm logged back into the machine. I'll open the terminal and check. I'll use uname all. And as we can see, the version has been upgraded from 6.2 to 6.7. So that's all for this video. That's how you can upgrade your Linux kernel on an Ubuntu machine. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.